In this video we're going to use the sine rule to find the length h of this triangle, which you will notice is not a right angled triangle, so we can't use trigonometry that we already know. Now the sine rule says that the length a divided by the sine of angle A is equal to the length b over sine of the angle B. Now in this case we don't have A, B and C as our lengths, we have F, H and G. So we need to do a little bit of relabeling. We're going to change H to A, G to B and F to C. And remember, we always label triangles so that the edge opposite the angle has the same letter but in lowercase. So this one down here is A, this one over here is B, and this one over here is C. So the question has asked us to find H, which is what we relabeled A, so we're finding this length here. So now that we know what we're finding, we need to use the sine rule. So we're going to substitute in our values. Well, we don't know A, that's what we're trying to work out, so that's going to stay as a letter. And that's being divided by sine of the angle opposite, which is 84. And that is equal to B, which in this case is 6.4, divided by sine of the angle at B, which is 42. We can rearrange this to get the sine 84 off of the bottom of this fraction by multiplying by sine 84. So we get A equals 6.4 divided by sine 42, and we're going to times all of that by sine 84. Okay. We plug this into our calculator and we get a value of A of 9.51 centimeters. If you're not getting that value when you plug it into your calculator, make sure you're closing the bracket after your angles in your sine. Otherwise you might be timesing the 42 by 84 and not doing the correct calculation.